Today's experiment we're going to be talking about something called capillary action, which is a big word for saying paper towels soak up water and it can run against gravity, so it can actually go up while gravity is pulling it down. So what capillary action is because water is really tiny, it can fit in the small spaces in the weave of the paper towels, and the paper towels, being dry, suck the water up and deposit it into the next cup, which is really cool to watch because you can see with the food coloring, you can see the colors mixing together. To start, you need 3 glasses filled with water and 3 empty glasses. Okay. And the glasses with water, we're going to put food coloring in them.
How many drops?
Until it turns color.
I want it too dark.
Yep. We're using red, blue, and yellow. So what you do is you put a paper towel, one end in the water and one end into the empty glass.
And then it will transfer.
And then it'll start to transfer. So we're going to make a little circle with our paper towels. As you can see, it's already starting to transfer.
But it takes a little while.
We're going to come back and check this again in a few minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. And you can see how far we've traveled into the glasses. As you can see, the yellow one has started to make it all the way over. And we have some yellow liquid coalescing in the bottom. Not in the other ones yet, but we're getting pretty close. And it's been about an hour since we started, and you can see that there's liquids in all the cups. And look, they're starting to mix and change colors. And now we've had a chance for everything to fully mix. And we've got all kinds of colors. When those color blending neat? I love how you mix the colors together and they turn into other colors just like they normally would. But it's really cool. You start out with 3 glasses full and 3 glasses empty, and it all turns into one, they go into one, and you get 6 full glasses. Next week's science experiment, you're going to need a banana and a sliced almond or some other form of nut if you're allergic to almonds. And you will need a grown-up for next week's science experiment because we will be playing with fire.